Now we will formally study an algorithm for doing a game tree search. It's a very popular algorithm. It's called Minimax. Or in some books it is written as min-max algorithm. You do not have to worry about how the algorithm works. I will give you a pseudocode of it, but you have actually done the min-max algorithm yourself. In this problem is in this game of tic-tac-toe, the methodology or the algorithm that we followed is simply the min-max algorithm. When I write down the pseudocode of the min-max algorithm, you will see how it operates. It's a min-max algorithm. It takes in argument as player and the board state. It states if game over in current board position, then return winner. If that is not the case, if not, it will not go into the if statement. So generate all the children equal to all legal moves for player which has been passed from this board. The board state has also been passed to the algorithm. We have actually done that. You remember, we expanded the children. If it is Max's turn, return maximal score of calling minimax on all children. I will explain this part. Else if min's turn, return the minimal score of calling minimax on all children. Min-max algorithm is actually a recursive algorithm. All of you must have heard of this type or class of algorithms in which the same algorithm is, the same function is called from within itself. So min-max was the function which we have written, and we have called min-max from within min-max. So it's a recursive algorithm. So how is it actually working? See what we have done. We have started with this state. Is the game over in current board position? No. So what do? We generate all the children. This is the next state. If it is max's turn, right, return maximal score of calling minimax on all children. So what do we do here? We do a take all the children board states and we call the minimax on all of them. We do a min-max algorithm on this, and on this. How now in the next stage, this is passed as the board position. Is this a terminal state? No. The children generated. Now, is this a means turn? Yes, this is a means turn. So the algorithm says that if it is a means turn, return the minimal score of calling minimax on all the children. So what it will do? The children has already been generated since it is not the terminal position. This is the children. So in the next state, this will pass on to as the board state. Just see that at first our algorithm took in this state, it expanded this. Now it expanded the children, but now the algorithm has, this board position has been passed on to the minimax algorithm. Next, this board position has been passed on to the minimax algorithm. This will be a terminal state. If terminal state, who is the winner here? The winner is min here. So the algorithm says return winner means give it a score value of -1. Now I have said you have to run minimax on all the children. Now this children is still has not been passed. This minimax will be passed, this node will be passed into the minimax algorithm now according to our design. Is it a terminal board position? No. So generate its children generated. Is it max's turn? Yes. So you have to do a minimax algorithm on all the children, which is there is only one child. So now this state is now passed on to the minimax algorithm. Now, is this a terminal board position? Yes. What is its value? +1. So this state says do a minimax algorithm on, if max's turn, return maximal score of calling minimax on all children. I called minimax on the child. It returned, it has a value of +1. What is the maximal value? +1. So this node gets a maximal score. This score is now returned to this +1. Now this was, but when we pass this state, the recursion works like stack. You remember? Now we had not yet completed the operation for this. When we pass this state, it was a means turn and it said return minimal score of calling minimax on all children. I have called minimax on all children. I have got their scores. I have to return the minimal score. See, in the similar manner, I will pass this board position, then to this, then to this, and then I will return the minimal value here. In a similar manner, I will go from here to here to here, then I will go from here to here to here to here, and I will go past the minimal value. And then I started with this, that return, if this is max's turn, this was the first thing, if this is max's turn, return maximal score of calling minimax on all children. By that time I will be getting all the scores of the max's children. I will be returning the maximal score, which is 0. This is where the program stops. So this is how recursion works. And this is how the minimax algorithm works. I hope you have understood it. By the way, I will just try to get to your notice the way in which the algorithm progressed. Have you observed that? From the root node, then to the child, then before going to, it explored this node, it got these two nodes, but next it explored this node, not this node. After exploring this node, it from here it came to here, then it explored here this node, then it came here and up to here, and then it again went up to this, and it is like this, 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 right? The algorithm work like this. Can you remember any algorithm that you have studied which works like this? If anybody of you just answered depth first search, you are correct. The algorithm proceeds like depth first search.